So first up, we have these little shorts. What is this? For obvious reasons, I still have my leggings on underneath here. Ooh, I don't even think it's even on both sides. It looks like a giant diaper in the back. For creativity, I'm gonna give these a 7.5 out of 10. Now, item number 2 doesn't seem that terrible. I don't really have words for this. It makes my arms look like little noodle bar. Like I've never lifted anything bigger than a marshmallow in my entire life. Like, what is this? I can't even say this is fashionable or cute. I could not pass up this little cap skirt. I've never seen anything like it in my entire life. For the little price of $10.99, I love this for how stupid it is. The sizing, it runs a little big, so if you do want one for yourself, order a size smaller. Wouldn't be this episode without the classic butterfly shirt. And for a whole whopping $4, you can get it for yourself. The back is just extremely confusing. So we're just gonna try our best. Oh, this is actually kind of cute. I kind of like it. I'm like living my childhood fantasy. The back is a little bit non-existent, but the front's cute. I give it a solid 6 out of 10. I don't know if the person who made this next shirt just has a 2-year-old at home and they just came up to them and was like, or what happened with this? I don't know if they thought it was a cute design. Like, why would I want handprints right here? Why? I'm a little shook it right now. So the design of this shirt, I'm not a fan of course, because this makes me feel a little bit awkward having handprints right on my tatas, but it is so soft. This is a size small, and you can see how tight it currently is on me. It's also not as see-through as I thought it was gonna be. Just because I don't like the print, it's like a solid 3 out of 10. We have the classic ripped little pencil skirt. For $14, it could be yours too. This, I just want you guys to enjoy my issues of trying to put this on. I also don't know the difference between front and back. Oh, this is not good as bad as I thought. Okay, just kidding. I spoke too soon. I feel like a mermaid. Like this is my new little fishtail. It's interesting looking. I'm definitely keeping this as like, a beach cover-up type of thing. However, the string's already breaking off, so that's a little bit concerning. This is what she looks like. It's better than I thought. The quality though is terrible. So the next one looks like it's not even a skirt, like it's a loincloth from like the Roman Empire or something like that. But for $3.50, why could you not pass this up? Besides our completely see-through. Here we go. Oh no, this is not gonna fit my... If you don't see, this just is a very big gap. One wrong move, or if it like slightly turns, because that's what skirts do, they turn sideways. And imagine, that could be a fashion faux pas. However, it does make the booty look pretty nice. But this, I would never wear. It doesn't seem very safe or secure. Solid 2 out of 10 for this. And the last item is really giving Cleopatra vibes. It's a penny skirt. This was more on the expensive side of things, so we have higher hopes for this one. I'm just kind of scared that this... Did they send me a shirt? Wait a second. How am I supposed to put this thing on? We're just gonna go for it. Do I look like a belly dancer? Shit, solid. I feel like you can hear me before you see me. She's very sparkly. Better quality than I was thinking. I'm kind of loving this. Definitely keeping this and reusing this for like a Halloween costume or something fancy like that. I give it a solid like 8 out of 10 for the price for what it is. Like, yes, it's a terrible item, but I could see some use.